In this video, we'll show you how to download videos from X, formerly known as Twitter, without installing any apps, and in a quick and easy way. The first thing we need to do is open X on our phone and find the video we want to download. Once we find the video, we'll tap the share button and select copy link. This will save the URL of the video we want to download. Now we'll open our phone's browser and go to a website that allows us to download videos from X. We won't need to install any additional apps, as we'll complete the entire process directly through the browser. Once we're on the website, we'll paste the link we just copied into the corresponding field and tap download. After a few seconds, the website will show us the available options for downloading the video. Depending on the service we're using, we may be able to choose between different video qualities. We'll select the option we prefer, and the download will begin. Once it's finished, we can find the video in our phone's downloads folder, and from there, play it or move it to another folder. As you can see, downloading videos from X without any apps is a very simple process, and all you need is the video link and your phone's browser. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like for more step-by-step tutorials.